Hi guys, welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. So today I am doing two things. I'm doing a clean with me and I'm also redecorating my downstairs bathroom. But first things first, I am cleaning everything with these natural products that I use continuously in my house because they have no chemicals and of course I have children. So let's get started. And so I decided to do two handwritten bathroom signs instead of going to buy something because we are home. So why not just make it myself? And I just purchased two canvas boards and just did like a simple handwriting sign with wash your hands and seat yourself in the bathroom. So guys, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, hi again. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please don't be afraid to click the red button. You will get all of my notifications. I upload weekly with small DIY home decors, furniture flips, but also you can catch me at Latoria Designs and Decor on Instagram or Latoria Home Trends. You can get all the behind scenes as well in my Insta stories and on my main page, guys. And on top of the handwritten signs, I did an additional two DIYs with this farmhouse rope vase. I already had the vase, but you can get one from the Dollar Tree or you can get one from the Goodwill. But I was using stuff that I already had at home, which is really good. And I had some nautical rope, so I thought this was a good idea to use that. I went around it about 4 times, and then I placed a nice small fox plant inside of it, and as well as a mason jar that I already have on handy, and I drilled a hole inside of it and placed a soap dispenser and some soap inside. So the fun part comes out with decorating, and it's all about having fun and also utilizing the things that you already have at home. A lot of these things I had at home. I didn't have to buy anything new. I do shop all around, so I go to the Goodwill, the Dollar Tree, Marshall's, I go to Ross, and I use things and I play around with things a lot to decorate in my home. I use some greenery, glass vase, I use some chicken wire and some signs, small things to just give me that fresh farmhouse look, feeling and style that I was going for. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will answer them. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, guys. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.